Welcome to Roberts Roll-Offs, your top choice for dumpster rentals in Clinton, Michigan. We're committed to providing efficient and reliable service for all your waste management needs. At Roberts Roll-Offs, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to fit any project, big or small. Whether you're doing a home renovation, construction, or cleanup, we've got the right dumpster for you. Our dumpsters are clean, durable, and ready to handle any waste. We ensure timely delivery and pickup to keep your project on track without any hassle. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, and our friendly team is always here to help. From choosing the correct dumpster to scheduling delivery, we make the process seamless and stress-free. As a trusted local business, Roberts Roll-Offs understands the specific needs of Clinton residents and businesses. You can rely on us for personalized and dependable service every time. We offer flexible rental periods and competitive pricing to fit your budget and schedule. Our easy online booking system makes it simple to get the dumpster you need when you need it. Ready to get started? Call us today at 517-280-3867 or visit www.robertsrolloffs.com. Dumpster Rental Clinton MI to book your dumpster rental. Roberts Roll-Offs, your local partner in waste management solutions.